गंज बख्शे फैज़ आलम मज़हरे नूरे खुदा नाक़िसारा पीर कामिलारा रहनुमा।
The spiritual devotion of Hazrat Data Ganj Bakhsh Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi to his Murshid, that is his spiritual guide, was very strong. We can realize this fact by this event when Hazrat Abul Fadl Al-Khatli Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi passed away, whilst his blessed head was resting in the arms of Hazrat Data Ali Hajweri alayhi Rahmatullahi Al-Qawi. We conclude that the Murshid also greatly cared for his disciple.
मुझे अपनी और सारी दुनिया के लोगों की इस्लाह की कोशिश करनी है इंशाअल्लाह।